I get quite a few questions about which guard size to use when you're doing a clipper cut. It's all personal preference, and honestly, all hair textures look different in different sizes. With Patch's hair, we usually start with like a 1 or a 2 for a few different reasons. I like to cut it short so the haircut lasts a little bit longer. But if you'll see on all of these clipper guards, they will have a number on there, and then it will also have a length. So for instance, like this one guard is 1/8 of an inch. Then you go up to a 2 guard and it's 1/4 of an inch. Then you go up 3 is a 3/8. Anyway, you go all the way up so you have a 4, a 6, and an 8. Now the reason there's not a 5 or a 7 is because with these nicer clippers, you can basically get the same lengths with your lever. Now I will have to say, if you choose to go up to like say this number 8, which is a 1 inch, see how much longer that is. A lot of hair will actually fall through. Like if you're doing this, you're not going to get as concise of a haircut as, say, for instance, if you were to use a 3, and you have a lot more control with the clipper guard of a number 3. So if you want a really short haircut like we like to do on the sides, I would suggest using a 1 and a 2. A medium length, I would do a 3 or a 4. You will not be able to see like the scalp with a 3 and a 4. And then if you just want to do like a longer length, you could do a 6 or an 8. Hopefully that helps.